Yes, northern Uganda. This is an area of concern for all of us. We have had legends who did things, whose blueprints are still there to be seen, and they're not being appreciated. I personally feel bad for the people of Lira, particularly the Langis, for the John Akibwa Memorial Stadium that has been delayed, maybe even denied, if I may say. For Arua, Dokas Nzikuru Stadium, Barifa Stadium is still lying lifeless there. Yeah, you can see. Nothing has been done. It doesn't stop there. Ideally, in a Germany, there's supposed to be a serious stadium put up. Somebody's going to be wondering why. But I can tell you, you know the William Street in Kampala? Do you know who that street was named after? It was named after a William gentleman who is from Germany, who was an athlete and won medals. If you go back to history, you will discover that. I'm somebody who does sports. I've followed all that. I've traced, I've done my findings. At the end of the day, there needed to be study, a different study in these places. If they are to be, their efforts are to be appreciated. But nothing has been done. Some people think the William Street in Kampala is been named after George William Kakoma. It's not true. It's not. Do your findings. Carry your research. You'll come back to us and tell us. So the people of the North ideally have had their names in the history books. But I think that's not been appreciated. Truth be told, we as Northerners, we need to rise. We need to talk. We need to act. We need to believe more. We need to see ourselves together in order to achieve all this. Failure to do that, we are going nowhere. We the Northerners are talented. We the Northerners are people who have the abilities. We the Northerners can be independent in terms of doing things. That has to be considered.